Respected participants, good morning from Stockholm. My name is Mustafa and I am Trade and Investment Counselor for Pakistan in Nordic countries. Welcome to all from Embassy of Pakistan in Sweden, Ministry of Commerce Pakistan, Board of Investment Pakistan, Embassy of China in Sweden, Embassies of Pakistan in Denmark and Norway. The focus of today's event is to highlight business opportunities available in special economic zones in Pakistan and projects under BRI. The business promotion institutions in Sweden, Norway, and Denmark would also spotlight sport which they are offering to Nordic companies for overseas market expansion and investment. I would request His Excellency Ambassador of Pakistan to Sweden and Finland, Mr. Zuhur Ahmed, to welcome the participants.
Thank you very much, Mr. Mustafa. I'm very excited to welcome all of you to this event, which we hope will be a special event and which will showcase the growing economy of Pakistan and the exciting investment opportunities which are available for our partners all over the world, and especially those in the Nordic countries, Sweden, Finland, Denmark, Norway, uh, and the north of Europe. I am also delighted to welcome to this event today many of our old friends and great participants. We have the Ambassador of China, Ambassador Kui in Stockholm. I'm also thankful to Ambassador Henrik Persson, my colleague who represents Sweden in Islamabad, for his support in organizing this event. Uh, we are very grateful to our speakers, the chairman of the Board of Investment and the minister in the government of Pakistan, Mr. Atif Bukhari, who has kindly joined us here today, the Ministry of Commerce, which is represented by Mr. Umair Karim, an old friend and a dynamic bureaucrat. I'm sure his contribution will be very important in this event also. We are also going to have two representatives of the special economic zones in Pakistan, one from the province of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Mr. Butt, Mr. Hassam Daud Butt, who is the CEO of the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Board of Investment, and Mr. Mia Kashif from the Faisalabad Special Economic Zone. And both of these will talk about the opportunities and facilities available in their economic zones. We are also thankful to the Business Sweden for joining us here today. Mr. Andrich Tofte, I welcome you to this event, and I also welcome you to our region. And we hope that you can pay a visit to Pakistan soon and see for yourself the opportunities that we are going to talk about today. I'm also grateful to the Innovation Norway and the Danish Trade Department for joining us here today. Along with this, we will have representatives of many Swedish companies, uh, and but we are going to have two speakers from Nordic companies, one of them from Sweden and one of them Denmark. Matthias is an old friend, and he is running Tundra, which is a major investment firm, and it deals with emerging markets. And he will talk about his experiences in the Pakistani market and the way he sees this event is very important for us because we feel that there are immense opportunities of cooperation between Pakistan and the Scandinavian countries. Particularly, I can talk about Sweden and Finland, whom I have the honor of representing Pakistan here. Uh, I think the reason is that we share many of the visions towards the world and towards international trade. Firstly, our countries are open to trading and open to business with all countries of the world. I can tell you about Pakistan that we have made the greatest jump in the history on the ease of doing business ranking this year. We have jumped about 35 points. Uh, we we have a dynamic information and communication sector, which has made a growth of 40% in this year. We have many multinational companies in Pakistan, which have shown 8 to 10 times more growth in Pakistan than their growth in the rest of the world. And also, Pakistan is a country of innovation. It's a country of diversity. It's a country of ancient civilization, but it's a country which is looking forward, which is basing its economic growth on reform, on an agenda of sustainable development, on an agenda of innovation. And this is where we would like you to become our partners. As far as the Embassy of Pakistan, Sweden is concerned, I would like to take this opportunity to assure you of all the cooperation that we can provide to the Swedish and Finnish companies who are interested in this market and who are looking for Pakistani partners. Uh, this is a win-win relationship, and Pakistan has made tremendous strides in the recent years. uh, Part of this is because we have been able to solve two of the major bottlenecks which are holding back our economy, the infrastructure and the energy bottleneck. And for this, we have had a win-win cooperation with our Chinese partners. And now we are open to welcoming partners from all over the world to join us in these special economic zones uh, for mutual benefit and for mutual growth and development. I would also like to acknowledge the presence of my colleagues in Stockholm. I could see the ambassador of Belarus, the ambassador of Kazakhstan, the ambassador of Laos, and the ambassador of Serbia. Thank you very much, Excellencies, for joining us here. And to all of you whom I could not name today, I would like to welcome you on this exciting journey of Pakistan and its opportunities. Thank you very much.